Hey guys, here's a fantastic 4-limb coordination exercise. Great for beginner drummers, but really great for any drummer that's really serious about getting all 4 limbs to be working, together. So this one here is the coordination where I'm doing a kick every pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. We're counting to 4. The hi-hat is going to be on counts 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. My hands are doing single strokes. Right, left, right, left, right, left. With eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. By the way, I don't know if you see this real quick. This is a Moon Gel workout practice pad by Artom. If you don't have one, that's no big deal, of course, but you should get one because there's really, literally, like no real rebound on this thing, which really helps strengthen your hands. You really want to be able to do this and lift it up quickly using your wrists and fingers and not relying on a rebound from your stroke. Anyway, great pad, link in the description, so you can find where to find it. Use my my code, find my code, you get 10% off. Okay, ready for the exercise? Here we go. I'm gonna start with the kick. Get the hi-hat going. 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're lifting these sticks all the way up, or at least rebounding them all the way up if you have a regular snare drum or practice pad. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to do left hand lead on my hands. I'm still doing the kick on all 4 counts, hi-hat on beat 2 and 4, but I'm going to start with my left hand. Here we go, starting with the kick, hi-hats, 1, 2, left hand, go. Have fun with it. Let me know in the comments what you think of this exercise. See you next time.